Okay, so first we will go to the advanced setting. Here we need to go inside the email configuration. Under the email server profile we need to click on that, and we will see by default Microsoft Exchange Online. We need to add a new profile for Gmail. So for that we need to click on this down arrow button, and there we see pop3/smtp server. We need to click on that. Now we need to provide a name for this server profile. In our case I can provide Gmail. For the incoming server location we need to provide this address pop.gmail.com. For the outgoing server location we need to provide smtp.gmail.com. Okay, now we need to head to the advanced setting. Here the incoming port is correct. The outgoing port we need to change it to the 587. Below you see process email from. We need to select the date from which we need to process the email. Selecting this date, also you need to select the time. Now we have configured the server profile, and we can save it. And close it. As you can see, our server profile is created. Now we need to go to our Gmail. Here you need to access this page. For that you need to log in with your Gmail account, and you need to click on this manage your Google account. So as you can see, this page will open. In the left side you will see the security tab. You need to click on that, and you also need to click on this two-step verification. This two-step verification need to be turned on. In my case it is already turned on. If it is not turned on, it will not allow you to generate the app password. So once you turn it on, you need to go inside that. Here you need to go at the bottom of the page. Here you can see app password, so you need to click on that. Now you can provide your app name, any name you can provide. After that you need to click on this create button. Here you will see a pop-up with this app password. You need to copy it. You can also paste it somewhere if you want to see it again in future. Now we need to go back to the CRM. Here we need to click on this email configuration. Then you will see the mailboxes. Need to click on that. This is the user this is the user from which I have logged in, and this is the mail active mailboxes. We need to click on that, so our mailbox will open. Now you can see by default the server profile is selected for Microsoft Exchange Online. We need to change it to the Gmail which we have created right now. Look up for more records. Here you need to select the Gmail, click on add. Now the Gmail is selected. Once it is done, there you see the credentials. You need to click on the yes, and you need to provide that app password you copied from the last tab. Here this is the Gmail ID which you need to provide. I have provided my email address here. Once you're done, you just need to click on the save button. Let the form reload. After that you need to click on this approve email button to approve your email address, because only approve email address can send the email from the CRM, so we need to do it. Once your mail is approved, you need to click on the test and enable mailbox button. So let's click on that. You will see a pop-up. You need to click on the OK button. By the time the mailbox is going to enable and some test email will be sent, so all this activity you can see under this alert. So the first alert you can see the email configuration for the user was completed successfully for the outgoing email. That means you can send the mail from CRM, and we refresh one more time. We can see it is also successful for the incoming mail, for the outgoing mail, but it is not synchronized for the appointment, contact and task. Why? Because here you see in the synchronization method, this is the settings where the none option is selected. That's why it is not showing there. Now once you do that, you need to click on the save and close button, and here you need to refresh it to check the status. Here it should be a green tick mark. So as you can see, all these values are showing as success. Appointment is showing as not run because we have not turned it on. Now let's see how to send the email from the CRM. For that, let's go to the Dynamics 365 custom app. You can navigate to any other app. Let's go to the activities and click on that email button. In the to address, I am providing the email address. Subject will be the test. This is a test email from Dynamics 365. Okay, so let's click on the send button. Now let's verify email is received or not. You see this email. This is a test email from Dynamics 365. Thanks, Edwin. So as you saw, it is very easy to configure or integrate Gmail with your Dynamics 365, and by this series of steps you can also configure your Gmail account with Dynamics 365 to send and receive email from CRM. Also one thing you need to keep in your mind that you need to have enough security privileges, system customizer or system admin, to do these settings to configure your email.